Hey everyone, welcome back to Pop Off English, the podcast where we learn real-life English with real-life problems.
Like my real-life problem of having no money because I spend it all online.
Yes, today's topic is dangerous: online shopping addiction and returns.
Send help.
Before we start, if you want to learn simple, useful English with us, hit subscribe, like this video, and share it with a friend who also shops too much online.
You know the friend, the one with 10 packages arriving every day.
Maybe that friend is you.
And maybe that friend is me?
So let's pop off about online shopping.
Okay, first question. Mia, are you addicted to online shopping?
Addicted is a big word. I would say I'm just very, very, very committed.
How many online orders did you make last month?
Including the things I returned?
Oh, wow. That's already a bad sign.
Let's say around 15.
15?
Listen, 5 were clothes, 3 were books, 2 were candles, 1 planner, 2 skincare products, 1 pair of headphones, and 1 thing I don't even remember.
You don't remember what you bought?
I saw something cute, I clicked Add to Cart, I clicked Buy Now, and then my brain deleted the memory.
That is real addiction behavior.
What about you, mister? I have no money.
Okay, yes. I buy things online when I'm bored, or sad, or happy, or hungry, or tired.
So always.
Exactly. I scroll, I see something like wireless self-stirring mug, and suddenly I need it.
Do you really need it?
No. But my brain says you will be a better person with this mug.
Online shopping sites are smart. They know how to make us want things.
Yes, they say things like, only 2 items left, and I panic like it's the last oxygen on planet Earth.
Or, flash sale, 70% off, only for the next 10 minutes.
And suddenly I'm running to get my credit card like I'm in the Olympics.
Let's talk about vocabulary here. When you buy something online, we say place an order or make an order.
For example, I placed an order for shoes yesterday.
Then the website sends you a, quote, confirmation email.
After that, your order is processed and then shipped.
When it's shipped, you can see the tracking number and track your package.
And then you refresh the page 200 times a day.
In transit, in transit, in transit.
Out for delivery.
Those are the best words in the world.
Out for delivery feels like a love letter.
Yes, but then the package arrives and sometimes it's a disappointment.
Oh yes, that moment when the product looks completely different from the photo.
The dress on the website. Beautiful, elegant model walking on the beach.
The dress on me, potato with arms.
Or you buy a large t-shirt and it comes in a size perfect for a hamster.
And then begins the most painful part. Returns.
The vocabulary for returns is important. Return, refund, exchange.
You return the product when you send it back.
You get a refund when they give your money back.
You exchange when you don't want your money back, you want a different size or color.
For example, I returned the shoes because they were too small. I asked for a refund, or I exchanged them for a bigger size.
Simple, useful English and sad, painful memories.
So what is your return style, Leo? Do you return things quickly?
Honestly, I'm lazy. This is how it goes. I open the box, I try the thing on, it's terrible. I say I will return this tomorrow.
And tomorrow never comes.
Exactly. Then the return period finishes. The company says, you can't return this now, and I just sit there with my ugly shirt and my ugly choices.
Return period is important. We say 30-day return policy, or you can return within 14 days.
For example, They have a 30-day return policy, so you can return it within 30 days.
That phrase within 30 days is super common.
Or no returns on sale items. That one hurts.
Okay, let's talk about signs of online shopping addiction. We need to help people listening.
Including us.
Sign number 1. You visit shopping apps or websites every day, even when you don't need anything.
You open social media, see an ad, tap it, and suddenly you're on a website with 27 open tabs.
Sign number 2. You buy things you don't need just because they are on sale.
The famous sentence, "I bought it because it was cheap."
Cheap does not mean necessary.
Sign number 3. You feel a high when you click Buy Now, but then you feel guilty later.
Yes, the little dopamine hit.
Dopamine is like a happy chemical in your brain.
Online shopping gives a dopamine hit when you buy, and again when the package arrives.
But your bank account gets a heart attack.
Sign number 4. You hide your purchases from family or friends.
Oh, this old thing? I've had it for years.
When actually it arrived yesterday.
With 3 other boxes.
Sign number 5. You cannot stop yourself, even when you know you don't have enough money.
That's dangerous. That can lead to real financial problems, debt, and stress.
Vocabulary time again. Spend, waste, save.
You spend money when you use it to buy something.
You waste money when you spend it on something useless or unnecessary.
You save money when you don't spend it, you keep it.
For example, I spend too much money on clothes. I waste money on things I never use. I want to save money for a trip.
I want to save money for rent.
Let's be real, that's more important than a self-stirring mug.
Don't attack my mug.
Okay, now let's talk about returns in detail, because returns are a big part of online shopping.
Yes, how do you say it clearly?
First, common expressions. I'd like to return this. I'd like a refund, please. Can I exchange this for a larger size?
Or, this doesn't fit. This is damaged. This isn't what I expected.
Also, it arrived late, or it arrived broken.
You can say, I'd like to return this shirt. It doesn't fit me. Very natural English.
Or, I ordered a medium, but you sent a small. Can I exchange it, please?
Let's do a little role play. I am customer service. You are the customer.
Perfect, because I am very good at complaining.
I know.
Hello, I'd like to return these shoes.
Sure. May I ask why?
They are too small and the color is different from the picture.
All right. Would you like a refund or an exchange?
A refund, please.
No problem. Please put them back in the original packaging and send them with the return label.
Great, thank you.
See? Easy, simple English.
Original packaging is a good phrase. It means the first box or bag the item came in.
Return label is the sticker with the address and sometimes a barcode to send the package back.
And many companies now offer free returns, which means you don't have to pay for the return shipping.
But free returns can be dangerous because you think, it's okay, I can just buy it, and if I don't like it, I'll return it.
And then you become a professional returner.
Not even a shopper, just a returner.
Also, returns are bad for the environment. Every package goes back and forth. Trucks, planes, more pollution.
Right, and sometimes returned items are thrown away, not resold.
So even if returns are free, there is still a cost.
Environmental cost, time cost, emotional cost when you remember all your bad decisions.
Let's talk about why people return things so much.
Number 1, size problems. Clothes don't fit.
So we order 2 sizes. For example, I ordered 2 sizes and I'll return the one that doesn't fit.
Number 2, The quality is bad.
The material feels cheap. It looks nothing like the photo.
Number 3, impulse buying.
Impulse purchase is when you buy something without thinking. Very fast decision.
You see it, you click, boom, order placed.
And then later you think, why did I buy a glittery jacket? I don't even go to parties.
Number 4, social media pressure.
You see influencers with hauls.
Haul means a large amount of items you bought, usually shown in a video.
You watch my summer clothing haul, and suddenly you think you also need 27 new tops.
Even if your closet is full.
Full of things you don't wear.
We should talk about phrases like shopping cart and wish list.
Yes. Add to cart means you choose the item, but you're not paying yet.
Shopping cart or basket is the place where all your items sit before you pay.
Wish list is a list of things you like but don't buy yet.
I like the wish list. It's like fantasy shopping.
Fantasy shopping is free. Real shopping is not free.
I have an idea. A maybe list. Things you wait 24 or 48 hours before buying.
That's a good strategy. Put it on your wish list, and if you still want it after 2 days, maybe it's not just an impulse.
Vocabulary. I'll think about it. I'll wait and see. I'll sleep on it.
Sleep on it is a great expression. It means you wait until the next day to make a decision.
For example, I really want this phone, but it's expensive. I'll sleep on it.
Online shopping companies don't want you to sleep on it. They want you to click now.
That's why they send you emails like, you left something in your cart.
Complete your purchase now.
Here's a 10% discount if you buy it today.
They're like, we miss you. Come back.
These websites are more romantic than my last relationship.
Okay, let's give some healthy tips for people who feel addicted to online shopping.
Tip 1. Track your spending.
Track your spending means you write down or check how much money you spend.
You can use a note on your phone. Every time you buy something online, write the date, the item, and the price.
At the end of the month, look at the total. You might be shocked.
Tip 2. Delete shopping apps from your phone,
If it's harder to shop, you'll shop less.
or at least turn off notifications.
Yes, turn off notifications means stop the app from sending you messages on your phone.
No more new sale notifications at 2 a.m.
Tip 3. Wait before buying. Use the wish list.
Put the item in your wish list, not your cart. Wait 24 to 48 hours.
If you forget about it, you didn't really want it.
Tip 4. Set a budget.
A budget is the amount of money you decide you can spend.
For example, my monthly shopping budget is $50.
And when you reach 50, you stop.
In theory.
No, in real life. We're trying to improve here.
Tip 5. Ask yourself questions before you buy.
Do I need this, or do I just want it? Do I already have something similar? Will I really use this?
Or my favorite question, am I just bored?
If the answer is, I'm bored, close the app.
Do something else. Read, go for a walk, call a friend.
Or watch another Pop-Off English episode. That's free.
Mostly.
Emotionally expensive, maybe.
Another important idea, buy now, pay later.
Yes, this is very dangerous. You pay in small parts, or you pay later, but it's still money.
Vocabulary, installments. To pay in installments means to pay the total in smaller payments over time.
For example, I paid for my phone in 6 monthly installments.
Sounds easy, but then each month you have less money.
Debt is when you owe money to a company, a bank, or a person.
And too much debt equals stress.
So if you can, avoid buying things you can't pay for now.
Let's quickly compare in-store shopping and online shopping.
In-store shopping. You go to a physical store, you can touch and try the item, but it takes time and energy.
Vocabulary. Fitting room or changing room is where you try on clothes.
Online shopping. It's easy, fast, open 24/7, but you can't try anything, and returns can be a problem.
24/7 means 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
So stores close, but online shopping never sleeps.
Which is why some people buy things at 3 a.m., half asleep in bed.
And wake up like, did I just order a life-size dinosaur lamp?
You did. Check your confirmation email.
We should also talk about reviews and ratings.
Yes, reviews are comments by other customers. Ratings are usually stars, like 1 to 5 stars.
It's a good idea to check the reviews before you buy something.
For example, the reviews say the shoes are uncomfortable, so I didn't buy them.
Or, this product has a 2-star rating. Maybe it's not a good idea.
So reading reviews can help you avoid returns and disappointment.
To finish, let's summarize the key vocabulary and ideas from today.
Online shopping words. Place an order, add to cart, checkout, confirmation email, shipped, in transit, out for delivery, tracking number, shopping cart, wish list, sale, discount, flash sale.
Returns words. Return, refund, exchange, original packaging, return label, free returns, return policy, within 30 days, damaged, doesn't fit.
Money words. Spend, waste, save, budget installments, debt, track your spending.
Feelings and behavior. Addiction, impulse buying, impulse purchase, dopamine, guilt, boredom.
Other useful expressions. Sleep on it, I'll think about it, I'll wait and see, in-store versus online, haul, reviews, ratings.
We also talked about healthy habits, using a wish list, waiting before buying, setting a budget, tracking spending, turning off notifications, and deleting shopping apps.
And the big message, online shopping is not bad by itself, but too much can cause problems.
Financial problems, emotional problems, environmental problems.
If you feel like you're addicted, it's okay to ask for help or to change your habits step by step.
And you can practice English at the same time by reading product descriptions and reviews carefully.
Just don't let Learn English become buy everything.
Before we go, if you enjoyed this episode and you learned something new, please subscribe to Pop Off English, hit the like button, and share this video with a friend who also loves online shopping.
Tell them it's cheaper than buying another pair of shoes.
In the comments, tell us, what is the most useless thing you ever bought online?
And did you return it? Or is it still in your closet, under the bed, or in a drawer?
We want to read your stories.
Thanks for listening to Pop Off English.
See you in the next episode.
And remember, think before you click Buy Now.
And keep popping off in English.